Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to pay using cash on Grubhub. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official grubhub.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the restaurants that you can order from. If you're using the mobile application, guys, just go ahead and open it, log in, and then you'll be greeted by something that looks like this, a bit different than the website, and all of your options will be right here at the bottom of the screen. So guys, now let's go back to the page itself, and now let's go ahead and get started with ordering. So guys, let's go ahead and find what we want to order. Let's go ahead and say we want to order from Erica's Cafe right here. And now go ahead and select your order, guys, what you want to order. Just go ahead and select the orders. And after you have selected the orders, guys, as you can see, I already have some orders right here, but I'm going to go ahead and start a new order. So go ahead and select what you want to order. Just select the options, and then we can proceed to the checkout by clicking the add to bag option. So now they can go ahead and proceed to checkout. As you can see, it will appear right here. Go ahead and click the green proceed to checkout button if you are finished ordering. And this will now take us to this new page where we just want to enter our info and just going to enter a phone number right here and click continue to payment method. So this will now take us to this new page where we can continue to our payment method and we can select our payment method. As you can see if we scroll down. So guys, here is our payment information under which we have the option to select our payment method. So all we have to do guys, click right here and select what kind of payment method we want to use. As you can see, there is no cash option right here because this restaurant does not accept cash. So if you cannot see cash right here, it means it does not accept cash, but only credit cards and PayPal. So go ahead, select cash if it has. If it doesn't, you have to find a different restaurant. But yeah, guys, basically that is it. How do you do it? After doing that, just click complete your delivery and then you can get started with paying. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.